Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you what does it mean when the video icon on Facebook Messenger starts pulsating. So right here, let's say we have this conversation with this person. I am online, he's online, and we start chatting right here. I'm sending some messages to him and he replies me back. Right here at the top right corner, as you can see, there is that video camera from where you can start the video conversation. So let's say you're chatting with someone and that video icon starts pulsating. That is basically a hint from Facebook that instead of chatting you should start a video call. So basically when you are chatting with someone and you're making a very active conversation, Facebook gives you that hint that you can start a video conversation and basically talk like that instead of chatting. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.